Saltwater lures combine action, buoyancy, and visibility to entice wary predators in diverse conditions. Topwater lures, like walking baits and poppers, dominate shoreline and near-structure fishing, while subsurface and soft plastics broaden the toolkit for seasonality and species versatility. This comparison evaluates 5 popular options across price points and design philosophies, focusing on action.
List number 1. Heddon Saltwater Super Spook Junior 3-pack, PK39236-2. The Heddon Saltwater Super Spook Junior comes in a 3-pack of the brand's iconic Walk the Dog topwater design, offered in bone, black shiner, and redhead holographic colors. Each lure is 3.5 inches with internal rattles and durable hardware, aimed at multi-species inshore and near-structure fishing. The kit provides color versatility for varying light and water clarity, helping anglers avoid color opportunity gaps on quick trips. The package leverages Heddon's legacy in topwater success and emphasizes walk-the-dog action with brisk slackline snaps to initiate the coveted side-to-side walk. Performance-wise, the Super Spook Junior delivers reliable topwater action with quick line slack snag hacks, enabling precise walking in shallow coves and over structure. The included colors cover dark to bright conditions, and the internal rattle adds an audible attractant in murky water. The 3-pack format is particularly appealing for anglers who want color options without committing to a single expensive lure. In practical use, expect strong casting distance for approx 3.5-inch profile and effective performance on bass, striped bass, and some larger pike when fished with a true walk-the-dog cadence.
List number 2. 10-piece Whopper fishing lure for bass popper, topwater crankbait. RTGSE's 10-piece topwater kit emphasizes a popper buzzbait hybrid approach, featuring 2 body sections with a cupped rotating tail designed to spin around the wire harness. This action creates turbulence and splash, while the option to pause yields a stationary presentation that can trigger strikes from wary fish. The lineup is color diverse to cover varied light and water conditions, and the kit claims long casting distance with a broad speed range for dialing in the day's most effective rhythm. Deeper analysis shows this lure set excels when targeting bass, muskie, pike, and other aggressive predators. The rotating tail adds a unique tail wobble and spray when jigged or jerked, and the pausing behavior can imitate an injured prey, a tactic that can be critical around cover where classic walk-the-dog have limitations. The lures are built from ABS or plastic with lifelike eyes and reflective finishes, and they include treble hooks for secure hook sets. They perform best with a versatile retrieve, moderate to fast cadence with occasional pauses to maximize the tail action.
List number 3. Dr. Fish Saltwater Fishing Lures Kit, 5-inch surf fishing striper. Dr. Fish offers a 6-piece mackerel, tarpon, barracuda-oriented set with holographic silver finishes and mustad treble hooks. The 5-inch range and built-in weight chamber support longer casts for surf and offshore scenarios. The assortment includes poppers and jerkbaits, enabling anglers to target multiple water columns and predatory species from nearshore to offshore. Performance-wise, these lures focus on a wobbling, wounded bait swimming action, with silhouette and holographic visuals designed to maximize flash in dark seas. The built-in weight chamber enhances casting distance, and the mustad hooks provide robust holding power for large saltwater species. In-field use, expect strong performance for tarpon, mackerel, barracuda, and snapper around reefs and flats, with the versatility to run both surface and subsurface retrieves. Given the 8.5 by 8.27 by 0.83 inch size and dual color black-silver pack, they suit offshore boat days and surf sessions alike.
List number 4. 10 pieces saltwater fishing lures shrimp baits set. Soyasny offers a soft plastic shrimp lure set featuring 10 pieces in multiple colors, with luminous material for night fishing. The set is designed for both freshwater and saltwater use,
covering a broad range of predatory species by mimicking crustacean prey with a soft, lifelike action. In practice, these soft shrimp lures excel in finesse presentations, especially around structure and cover where subtle motions can outproduce hard baits. The luminous hooks help in low-light conditions, and the 10-piece format provides ample color choices, increasing the odds of matching hatch on a given day. The primary considerations are bait realism and durability under saltwater abrasion, as well as the need for appropriate jig heads or weight systems to control depth and action. Overall, these are best for anglers prioritizing soft plastics and nighttime opportunism.
List number 5. Berkley Johnson Sprite Fishing Hardbait. The Berkley Sprite Redfish Kit delivers a gold spoon-style hardbait with a zigzag wobble and red teaser tab designed for predatory species. Sized at 2.5 inches and 3/4 ounce, it balances casting distance with a compact profile suited to inshore and redfish-targeted applications. The kit emphasizes line-friendly performance with a design that avoids excessive line twists during retrieves. Performance-wise, the Sprite's oscillating wobble and teaser tab create an attractive cross-section of vibration and flash. The lure is particularly effective for cast and retrieve and vertical jigging in shallow water, where redfish and other predators cruise. But it also translates well to general predatory fish across saltwater. The compact size and weight help with long throws and quick recovery, while Berkley's reputation for durable hardware supports confidence in bite-heavy environments.